I'm telling you, I asked to be sent down here once again because I knew the conditions were going to be just right. We do have, as Harvey was trying to mention, it is pretty much close to blizzard-like conditions at this point right here in Sandwich, where we are at least. You can see why. We have these winds whipping out of the north and east, and they're probably sustained at about 30 miles per hour. Now gusts to about 40. We're feeling those gusts come in and out, and what it's doing is creating some blowing and drifting snow. We already have moderate snow falling from the sky, and then we have all the snow that's fallen, which has been about 6 inches or so here in the last couple of hours, and it's blowing across, and it's creating very limited visibilities. In fact, you can see this going across the parking lot. It's pretty cool looking how the snow kind of just blows across, and you can see it's going at a very good clip. But again, visibilities have dropped down to about a quarter of a mile here. So the most intense winds that we've seen all morning are going on right now. Now also, this snow is a very light powdery snow, so that's the good news, is that when you go out to shovel it, you should be able to shovel it just fine. However, it is kind of mixing with some sand out here because it pelts the face and it hurts. It's kind of giving me a nice little, I feel like I'm getting a nice little skin treatment. But the other thing that's happening is we have the winds that are creating a wind chill, and it actually feels like 5 degrees now out here. So it is very, very cold outside. That's the latest from Sandwich. Now let's go over to Todd, who's in